This is an Atlantic, which has the smoke gear, so it could run on conventional smoke or the fan smoke with a switch like this one, and it has the Magna Rossa field set replacing the wired field set. And I've run it once before, so I just thought I'd show you how it runs. It has a ball bearing in front, and I've set it up and shimmed it. And as you can see on my triplet, it's running, it's pulling 0.75 amps, and it's using 2.6 volts to turn on the rolling room. Now with the load and everything else, that won't be realistic, but I'm just showing you the low resistance and how smooth it is. And pretty responsive. I'm cycling from 5 to 8 volts. I'll set it on, there's 9 volts at 0.8 amps. There's 11 volts, 0.9 amps. Now you're flying around the track just about 16 volts, 17 volts, 17 volts, about just under 1 amp. That's flat out. But on my power supply, I can go up. So we can go up to. You may not want to, but we can. Make it sound like a Formula One car. So here we are back at 2.5 volts, 20 volts, 2.5, 20, 2.5, 20. I'm feeling pretty good about it. It sounds very smooth, and it's fairly responsive. I'm thinking it with the RPMs it'll have some torque. Not warm at all. And now what I want to do is pair it up with my controller and actually put it on hook it up and make a train and see how it pulls. What I'm testing is, this is what I call my light, Magna Rossa LIT light, and LITE maybe, I don't know. Anyway, it's a smaller magnet, the smallest of the 3 that I have. That's the medium. That's a medium. I'll show you. That's the large. You can see the difference in the that's the small and the large, and then that's the medium. So there's 3 levels of magnet that we can put in there, and they have different powers, and sometimes I felt the large was overpowering some of the machinery. So I've just got a few more tests I'm doing on different motor combinations, making sure what works. A lot of interest in this conversion. We have the other conversion here. He doesn't have springs, but if I set him up, I should run him and show you how well he's doing. He's doing real well. And this is thicker. It was thickened by a couple, so I had to put some more shims. I'm really into I'm used to be in the mechanical systems a lot, medical and that, robots, so I'm real worried about making sure this armature is floating properly, lots of support, real straight, no restrictions. So I work on that backlash pretty diligently on these when I set them up. So this one has like just perfect. It just spins. So is this one. Just really nice, really smooth. And then the old royal blue, old dog, man, he's working. Trying to load some new stuff in from Andy. I'll get back to that, but right now I get to work on a new cabinet Margaret got me yesterday. I know it's kind of colorful, but the beauty is these are really deep and pretty long, as you can see, pretty long. Okay, and they can hold stuff. Right here, I put my whole box of capacitors right there. Instead of out on the table, boom, I put a label on it, capacitors. I had one like that over here, and I kind of abused it, overloaded it. So I'm going to try to streamline it and use that one in conjunction with this one. This one will be more like supplies for when I'm doing this. You know, like soldering iron and flux and stuff like that. Oh my. She did say I needed to clean up. Oh, jeez. Hey, we got it though, you know? Okay, later.